guys, we're back. They close this sunroof. Alright, we are back. Back in the 340, back in action. This is the favorite time of day when I can see the gauges, right? The orange gauges, get colors in the gauges. And that's exactly why I did the white, and the red. So at this time of day, it just looks beautiful. But yeah, it's New Year's today, though. So the 340's going out, baby. We gonna shake a little something, shake a little tail feather, right? But yeah, guys. Try to get as many clips as I want to because I want to be present. So, but just still want to get some content out as well. And yeah, man, look at that. Just enjoy. Just enjoy. I wish I was filming earlier. I was going with a 2017. I think it's like their SUV, the 5 something QS5 RS or something like that. It was good. Had a little go. I gotta get a better camera setup. I say that every time, but I truly do. I want to get something where you guys can see and drive along with me and get different angles. But you know, the funds ain't funding right now. So yeah. But we'll have it in time. In due time, we'll get there. Yeah, man. Just enjoy. Get some clips. But yeah, man. 4th of July in Florida, man. It's the first time in Florida I'm having 4th of July because I'm from Maryland, so I'm used to 4th of July being a little different. But we'll see what Florida has to offer. So I'm going to be in St. Pete, so we'll get some clips of St. Pete and whatnot. So we'll see. Well, I'm going to be floating all over St. Pete and Tampa. Shit, might even Orlando, so we'll see. We'll land somewhere. All right, guys. Nice little run, baby. Woo! Enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. Hopefully you guys are getting out today. Enjoying yourself. And staying safe. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Yeah, man. Love going to St. Pete. You'll guys see why in a minute. Sorry about that. Had to do a toll real quick. See, we in active mode. Get active mode. We are in get active mode right now, baby. It's way lighter outside and my windows are tinted, so it looks like it's a little darker than what it is. Come on, baby. What we doing? What we doing? We gotta go. We gotta move, baby. We gotta move. Come on. Gotta go. Get that beautiful view. Can't beat that. Look at that. Ooh, oh my God, that TRX, man, that man's dangerous. Can't even see the bridge, but that's why I like going to St. Pete. I like the bridge. Let me zoom out. Fishing. It's so foggy, man. Can't even see the bridge, but that's the bridge up there. Footage of the bridge. Little baby bridge pool. Should we wake up St. Pete right now? It's looking a little dead, man. It's looking a little dead. It's looking a little dead. We gotta wake them up real quick. Give them some B58 power. Gotta take their medicine, man. Found my brother. Found my brother. See if he gonna act up today. If he gonna be delinquent today.